The moment I heard the first clack of the vintage typewriter in my study, I dismissed it as an auditory trick, the house settling, perhaps. But the rhythmic tapping persisted, eerie and deliberate. As I inched closer, the machine, untouched by human hands, spewed out words that chilled my spine. "I know what you did," it taunted, unearthing a past I thought buried. The typewriter seemed possessed, its keys moving with an urgency that mirrored my racing heart. The letters formed names, dates, and locations, each more damning than the last. I tried unplugging it, but the relentless typing continued, the room growing colder with each keystroke. My mind raced back to the night I buried the truth beneath layers of lies. The final line appeared, "It's time to confess." I froze, realizing that I was not alone. The room's shadows shifted, an unseen presence almost palpable. The typewriter paused, awaiting its response, as